Hi guys, welcome back to Success Mind channel. Today I'm going to discuss about local variable. In previous video I was explained about global variable. You can watch first and after that you can easily understand this. I will mention that video link in description. So let me start. What is the local variable? How it works? I will show with the detail exam with a suitable example. I will explain in this example using this example. So let me start. First, we need to learn what is the meaning of local variable and what is the definition of this local variable. Okay. Definition of this local variable is it is a declared inside the use function or within the function. Means what are the variables which are declared within the function? Either it may be user defined function or it's a main function. So that scope will be limited to that function only. So inside the function only declared means within the function. So how it to declared inside the function and how it will declared within the function or it may be user defined function or main function. I will show it. I will explain that one. So this is the example. A equal to 20 def display, B equal to 30 print inside the user defined function a and print local variable. So this is the called user defined function, and display print outside the user defined function equal to a and print local variable. This is the main function. Okay, let me start. Here b equal to 30. This is the inside the user defined function. So here output is, so this output is first display and executed, so that this output, okay, this output is the first display the function and executed, so that b equal to 30 and print inside the user defined function equal to a. So a equal to 20 is printed. So next print equal to local variable b equal to 30. This 30 is printed. Then outside of the user defined function a, so outside of the user defined function, what is that? This a will be printed as a 20. So if the local and global variable share same name, so the first preference is always local variable only. What is that? Local variable. So this is the suitable example of this local variable. let let us stop here. If you like this session, please subscribe my channel and share my channel, like my channel. Thank you.